Have you ever wondered what to do with stale cookies? Before tossing them out, read some of our creative ideas on how you can reuse them. What are stale cookies and what causes them? The most common reason for cookies going stale is that they weren't stored correctly. Like most baked goodies, the air is their worst enemy. We won't go into too much detail. But, basically what happens is that the water molecules in the air bind with the starch inside of the baked item. This causes a chemical reaction to take place which creates this very unpleasant stale texture. Cookies are often left in their packaging without it being closed. Another common occurrence is that the cookies were left on a plate for much too long. Or even that they were cooled on the wire rack after baking for hours on end. How to tell if your cookies have gone stale? Cookies have little moisture in them after they have been baked. Even if they are moist, their moisture levels have still decreased. This is what gives cookies their crunchy texture. Now, stale cookies have two different types of textures. This is usually determined by the type of cookie you have and the ingredients used to make it. Many environmental factors will affect the stale texture. When your cookie has become extremely soft and pliable, it is a sign it has gone stale. However, if it becomes rock hard and dry, it is also stale. Can you use stale cookies? Before you toss out some old cookies, hear us out. There are hundreds of delicious ways you can use stale cookies. The one condition to this rule is to ensure they aren't too old. When cookies start smelling or completely changing texture and color, they should immediately be discarded. However, when they are only stale, they are usable and safe to eat. What to do with stale cookies? Pie crusts. Combine 2 cups of cookie crumbs with roughly 1/4 to half of a cup of melted butter. Then, once you have a uniform mixture, press the crust into the pie dish or baking pan and pre-bake it. Cookie butter. Combine crushed cookies with some sugar, butter, and cream. Cook this mixture until it gets a peanut butter consistency. Then, add some additional crumbs for texture. Brownies. Brownies are always a winner. Why not elevate them adding a rocky road twist? Add chopped pieces of stale cookies into your brownie batter along with some marshmallows and nuts. Chocolate bark. Bulk up your chocolate bark by chopping some stale cookies and scattering them on the surface of the slab. It adds flavor and texture. Truffles. Truffles are known for their lusciously smooth and creamy texture. However, by adding a delicious cookie crumble crust on the outside, you will elevate these to a whole new level. Ice cream sandwiches. Ice cream sandwiches are a fun and genius way to use old cookies. Simply place a giant scoop of your favorite ice cream between 2 cookies. Inspiration for different kinds of cookies. Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip cookie bread pudding. Chocolate chip cookie milkshake. Chocolate chip cookie butter. Chocolate chip cookie pops. Fortune cookies. Fruit salad toppings. Apple pie crumble. Green salad crouton topping. Sugar cookies. Ice cream sandwiches. Sugar cookie truffles. Decorated Christmas tree decorations. Oatmeal cookies. Protein oatmeal bites. Bake into oatmeal granola. Tips and tricks. So, what to do with stale cookies? As you can see, there are many ways you can utilize them, you just need to be a little creative. Let us know how you usually save your old cookies or what you think of our techniques. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.